again. Today I'd like to show you how to make one of my favorite things, a cappuccino. So first of all, I've got my nice cup here. You can see the Miele has already preheated. With the milk thing, you just slide it into there. You can use any kind of milk. I like whole milk, but you can use oat milk or almond milk. And you want it to be not too full, not too empty, kind of just a Goldilocks level. And then here, I'm gonna go ahead and press single cappuccino, and it gets right to work. Now, one of my favorite features about this machine is you can control how much froth, like milk and froth and espresso is going in. If you want it a little bit more espresso-y, or if you want it a little more milky or a little more frothy, you can. I have my froth setting to half and half, half milk, half froth. So that's a nice setting. And then I like my cappuccinos a bit on the dry side. So after it goes a little bit, I like to just say, stop. There we go. And then it works on the espresso. This is the best part. You can see the coffee going into the layer between the milk and the froth. And there we have a beautiful cappuccino that I'm about to enjoy. And hopefully you can too.